In for an inoculation. At Thailand's main airport, Suvarnabhumi, the few passengers here during a pandemic find empty concourses and abandoned luggage carts as the facility prepares to become a mass vaccination site to help the country deal with the COVID-19 pandemic. Check-in desks have been converted to mini clinics, doling out shots of China's Sinovac vaccine, and waiting areas are used by the newly inoculated to rest and be monitored after they receive their shots. 4,000 airport staff are among the first wave in the tourist-dependent country to receive shots. The airport is accustomed to processing large numbers of people and now being readied for large-scale public vaccinations as the government struggles to beat back a third wave of the virus, the deadliest yet.
Before the pandemic, we used to receive 200,000 international travelers a day. Now only about 1,000 a day. The airport already has all the necessary amenities ready to turn into a vaccination station, such as check-in counters and other equipment.
Over 400 people have been killed in Thailand since a resurgence in the virus in April. Thailand's daily caseload of around 2,000 is small compared to the worst-hit countries, but it is a large number for a country that as recently as March thought it had virtually extinguished the virus with lockdowns and border restrictions. This outbreak has increased pressure on the government of Prayut Chan-o-cha to speed up a sluggish vaccine rollout. So far, around 700,000 Thais have received 2 shots out of a population of nearly 70 million. Sarayut Jampa is one of the lucky ones.
I feel all right. The shot will reduce the risk of contracting the virus. The vaccine might not protect us 100%, but studies show the sickness will now be less severe if I contract the virus.
Airport workers are on the front line of a country whose economy depends on tourism, and tourist numbers have collapsed since last March. Even though it is fighting its worst outbreak yet, Thailand is promising to reopen its beaches to the desperately needed foreign tourists who have been vaccinated without quarantine, starting in July. That means the airport could soon be busy again. However, with public hospital beds full, a tiny percentage of people vaccinated, and an economy in free fall, these are days of great anxiety for Thailand.
I'm still scared because the virus spreads so fast. Even if I'm extra careful, I could still contract the virus.
A kingdom holding its breath, waiting for the pandemic to pass. Vijitra Duangdee for VOA News, Bangkok.